Hello, my name is Jonathan, and I work with the video here at the Thompsonville Seventh-day Adventist Church. And I'm excited because we just received in a couple brand new cameras that we are going to be implementing here. And they are the BirdDog P400 PTZ 4K cameras. So let's get started. And first thing, we have PTZ or Visca serial adapters, and a little BirdDog envelope that has some stickers and zip ties and a cleaning cloth. And here, first thing, we have the remote control, and there is a power adapter as well if you decide not to power the camera via PoE. And then for the camera itself, and there is the camera. And on the back, there's your, it's got 6G HD Sdi output and a gen lock if you use that. Here's the Ethernet and NDI and PoE port, HDMI, power, USB. Here's your two Visca serial ports, and you can select which IR signal to receive for remote, and audio input and output. And this is a preset for choosing what resolution by default the camera boots up into. So there is the BirdDog P400, and I will be doing a video later once we've gotten a chance to install and use these cameras. This video I'm recording using our second camera, so this is what you're seeing is being done with the BirdDog P400, and the presets for the PTZ I did using their software, actually their web interface, and I did a little bit of control using their remote as well. And eventually we'll of course be using a PTZ controller, but that's the early look on the BirdDog P400. I will have more to come.